how to make local backlinks for SEO made easily. Stay tuned.
I got this. All right.
For those of you not aware, Holly's News Network, or as I like to call it, Holly Stark's Candy Shop, if you will. If you don't have it, go to the description below, and I literally have a link in there where you can get 25% off, right?
All right.
But essentially, you want to go to the website, and this is what it looks like. This is Holly Stark. She's one of the top SEO experts in the entire world. In my opinion, she's got some of the best stuff. So you want to go through her store, but the Holly's News Network is where I'm going to take you. Essentially looks like this, but on the back end of it, and there's the pricing and everything. It's essentially a network of, if you will, Google News sites. She adds to them constantly. So what we're going to do, we logged in. This is the back end. We're going to go ahead and take that same article that we put on the Gulf website, and we're going to take that same blog that we have been taken in part. This is a 4-part series. We have part 1, part 2, part 3. This is part 4, where we took that blog, made it a blog, then made it into a YouTube video, then made it into a press release, and now we're going to power it up, if you will, with our Holly's News Network or Google News Site Network, where you take these powerful backlinks, they're indexed within minutes, okay, and populate. So we're going to go over here to this blog, grab the blog, put it all in here. So literally, once we do, if you follow my steps, step 1, 2, 3, 4, literally copy paste.
Yes, please.
So we have all this. We're going to go, this is the title of the article. You can put in Gulf, because they are in Gulf, Canada, right? This is in Gulf, Ontario, Canada, right? You can put that Gulf, Ontario, Canada, if you want to. Obviously spelled wrong because I don't live in Canada. The image URL, if you want to use one in specific, I'm going to use this one right here, copy image address. And I'm going to use that. Why am I going to use that? That is a GMB photo. And then I'm going to take this entire shebang right here.
Cheap base! Cheap base!
The only thing I'll probably have to do is go back up and, like I said before, this is all daisy chain. Blog is daisy chain to the YouTube, YouTube's daisy chain back to the blog, blog to the press release. Everything's tied together, because it makes it extremely powerful. So as you can see, all of it's copy paste put in here. These are all hot linked to the GMB posts, all your images. Now we're also going to take that video and embed it. And to do so, we just go over to go to play it, go to YouTube. It's going to pop up on YouTube. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to hit the share link. I'm going to grab embed code, copy it, right? Easy as that. Literally, it is that easy, dude. It's not hard at all. Then we go over here, and I'm gonna put that video at the top. So you're gonna get view source code, put it at the top, hit save, come back to it's embedded. Everything's hyperlinked and daisy chained together. That's the key to this whole thing. The press release, everything. Then we hit create article.
And it's very convenient.
Very convenient.
Once we hit create article, we're going to choose where we want to put it, right? We want to post the article. So we hit post. Once we hit post, we're going to choose where we want it to be. So we can go dentist. Okay, see if she's got anything in there. Health niche, she's got tons of it in there. Let's say Canada, even anything in Canada. Dental, nothing in the dentist industry, but we got health. So what we want to do is go to health. We can take, you know, any number of these. I generally do about 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3 right here, you know, and then we daisy, everything's daisy chain powered up, and we hit post article.
Yeah, bada bing, bada boom.
And once it posts, we're choosing specifically that we want it to go to here. It is going to be, you know, what date do you want it on? The 10th. I want 3 of them. I hit post article. You know, I certify this. I click everything, make sure everything's done. I mean, depending on what platform you're on, you can choose as many as you want. Post the article, it then gets posted across of it. Okay, the only thing you got to do is you can only choose, if you will, one category. So I can't come in here and go a bunch of categories at once.
Okay, fine.
You know, I have to choose one category and go, okay, let's post it to there. That's the health. Let's do fitness. Let's do diseases, and let's do diet. Let's certify, and let's post article. Once I post article, these backlinks are then indexed to, if you will, they are then indexed over to Omega indexers who we use. Okay, we use Omega indexer to index everything. Once it's indexed, indexing usually takes place within a few, it's not a long process, generally, an hour or so, and it's indexed. It doesn't take long at all.
Okie dokie then.
And I want to post about 3 of these, so I'm doing 3 of them real quick, and I'm going to post them. I've done diet and health so far, so I want to do fitness, and then I'm going to post the article. And now what we've essentially done is we've powered up our blog with our YouTube stack, then to our press release with Signal Genesis, and then we've shoved it down Google's throat with Google News sites. That is how we do it. If you want my spreadsheet for this entire process, go comment on each video, and I have a process for each one of the videos, and I'll get that over to you. If you want Google News Network site with Holly, make sure to comment below and use my link with my code, and I appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and be blessed. Have a great day.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most SEO opponents.